What It Takes to Be a Champion by Tamara Elamine. According to Adamson and Steckel 2018, a leader must have a vision, be decisive, and select the right team to accomplish their goals. As the CFO of Darjeeling Grapes, Inc., it is my duty to be a champion of change for the organization. As a leader, I'm always looking for ways to increase the bottom line, and based on the company's strategic objectives, I believe I have found something that will do just that. One of the issues Darjeeling Grapes has identified as being inefficient within the organization is the client experience on phone calls. Due to our inferior technology and equipment, the organization has seen an increase in dropped calls, which has led to a rise in client dissatisfaction. To decrease dropped calls and increase client satisfaction, I am recommending senior leadership implement a new phone system called a soft phone. This new system will consist of a soft phone that comes with an application that can be used on a computer or a cell phone, and it includes options for video conference calls. The soft phone option will work well for Darjeeling Grapes' employees across the world and does not require any specific type of internet connection. Darcy et al. Explained how customized mobile technology has increased over the years to assist people with disabilities to have a clear way of communicating with others. How did they do that? They were using a soft phone. A soft phone will eliminate costs that are associated with upgrading current equipment and internet connections. The upfront costs include purchasing the soft phone software and headsets for every employee. Using a soft phone will help advance the organization by showing employees and clients the company values their experience on the phone and is willing to invest in innovation and technology to ensure quality customer service. Implementing this change will make certain clients have a similar experience regardless of where the employee is located, whether they're in the United States or in one of the international offices or locations. To show how much I believe in the soft phone and how it will improve our clients' phone experience, I am willing to provide employees who can assist with each phase of implementation, from research and development to user acceptance testing. In closing, converting the phone system to a soft phone will increase the company's bottom line by not only improving customer service, but it will also eliminate the extra costs associated with traveling due to the inefficient phone systems. I hope you will take this proposal into consideration and at least explore the option of soft phones a little further. Thank you very much.